Imindeni emithathu isakhungathekile. uSibonelo Ntshangase, uSabelo Nhlako noSizwe Mbingo babulawa ngemvula yezinhlamvu. Imindeni yabo ifuna ubulungiswa.
We as the family are very, very devastated upon the tragedy that has happened to our family. It's very hard to believe and to grasp because this has happened.
Amalungu e-ANC abehlangene ngaphandle edinwe eveva ngenxa yokubulawa kwabantu eMkhondo. Afuna abakwadlodlo benze okuthile. Abakwadlodlo bathi sebesondele ekutholeni abasolwa.
That understanding of tensions, the root cause of it is a non-arrest of the perpetrators. Some of them are really known, they have names. But ours as the police is not to come here and repeat the names. Ours is to come and put the people and the faces on those names.
We are here to work with the communities and to make sure that justice is sought in this political killings that are happening within our province before they spread throughout the province. And we understand fully the plight of our people.
ANC izwakalise ukukhathazeka.
If they don't arrest him, as I indicated, we are going to arrest this person. We'll arrest him. So I want to request that we have been trying to calm down the situation here in Mkhondo, but it's very difficult.
Ngolwezi nyakenye kwabulawa Ikhansela le-ANC uMuzimanyathi kanti akukaboshwa umuntu. Imindeni nomphakathi babeka amathemba abo kulabo abajutshelwe ukuba babhekane nezigameko zokubulawa kosopolitiki esifundazweni.